What if I told you that inside your own body there's a hidden power faster than most sports cars? It starts with a tiny tickle deep inside your nose, a strange pressure building up that you can't control, and before you even realize it, your body explodes with force, a sneeze shooting out at more than 150 kilometers per hour, faster than most cars nowadays. After that, you sit there calm again, not realizing that your body just performed one of the fastest, most powerful reactions in nature. Like and subscribe for more curiosities of this world.